So right, good morning everybody. Me and Aubery are just gonna be out cutting some wood. It appears that we are out in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. It's about an hour and a half drive to get here. Aubery said there's some good standing wood here, so we're gonna find out. What's going on, Bye? Where's all this wood? I don't see any fucking trees. Am I blind or what? I think I'll take down this bad boy right here and that one there. Be enough firewood to last me a while. Nice. Good. Fucking chainsaw stuck in the tree. I freed the chainsaw! Well, Aubery always said, always carry two saws. I did bring the poulan, but I'm not a professional tree cutter, so shit happens. But let's have a look at this. Looks like they did seismic here once. Looks like line 26, shot point 519, which means once upon a time there would have been some dynamite, and this looks like where all the gravel is. I just got this one cut and ready to transport down to my truck. I think once this is processed, I'll have 2 trees, which will be definitely more than enough for firewood for a while, I think anyways. We'll see once we cut her up and load her up. That's a bit of work carrying all those logs. These ones right here, a little bit green still, so they're fucking heavier than hell. These ones are all here, all dead. Oh fuck, Powerade. That's what I need. Oh, that hit the fucking spot. I needed that. Now I remember a few videos ago where I bought that chainsaw sharpener and had the wrong grinding stone. Well, let's see how fucked up that chain is. Probably gonna have to buy a new one, but let's see. It's not as bad as I thought, that's for sure. I'm gonna give this a workout because I've had that issue where you run it for a while and it won't start, and then I dumped a bunch of fucking seafoam in it, and then I ran it. I didn't have that issue, so we're gonna see if we have that issue today. See what the heck's going on. I do have another carburetor. Might have to swap it out, but like you saw in the video, gotta carry two just in case you are a rookie and you get one caught in the tree. It's holding up.
Getting a little fucking dull.
Yeah, I just noticed that your saw's a little dull. Yeah, you're gonna have to get a hitch.
It's good for the little shit, but the stuff like this.
Yeah. So here's the one I built for Aubery. You can tell this one here I built a lot heavier duty than what mine is. I made this piece wider too and thicker. I'm gonna show you on mine how it compares to the one I made for Aubery. Like I said, this was the prototype here that you would have saw in the videos a long time ago. This piece is thinner. These pieces are thinner. Not as wide either, but for cutting this stuff, it's perfect. All my wood is loaded up, firewood for days now. Aubery is getting his logs cut for his benches. How many bench flats do you got now?
I'll have 4 right now.
4? How long will it take you to plane those flat?
Half hour maybe. Yeah, actually,
that one's kind of wavy, that one.
Yeah, it's alright though.
Is it?
Just for your ass, right?
That's true.
You're just gonna fuck the sit on it.
What's Aubery drinking? Wild Honey Organic Ale.
Amen. Nelson Brewery.
I got the old Milwaukee that you brought me.
Right on.
Motherfucking beer time. Good day cutting wood. I got more wood now than what to fucking do with. I haven't even burnt through the first stuff I got, but great day out. The poulan didn't give me any troubles at all. The steel did. I'm not sure what the issue was with that, but
What's wrong with steel?
well, when I went to go start it the one time, it kept bogging out.
They might do that too.
Do they? I just want to get this because this is what they call the hump, is where you go over top of the mountain and then you go down and you can see the mountain ranges down there. It's pretty cool actually. I mean, for what it is, it works all right. Built out of scrap metal I got from the metal supermarket, so I mean, metal was pretty cheap. I picked up the hydraulic power pack for 75 bucks, I believe it was. The cylinder was the most expensive, like 120 plus, you know, odds and ends to get her to go. It was an interesting light duty project for sure, but I got all that stuff in the back of the truck that I got offload now and stack. All that, gonna have firewood for days.